Hi everyone, welcome back for today's mani. We're going to keep it super simple. We're going to be using dip liquids from Krival Nails, and then we're also going to be doing a one color mani. Now this color here, it's Eggnog, and it's a fun, fine, shimmery glitter. And I love everything shimmery and glittery, and I really love the fine glitter in here. And this color Eggnog is super stunning. It is a very good, like, neutrally gold color. It's not like too gold, and it's not too nudie. It is like the perfect in-between color of gold and nude, and I really love that fine shimmer. So we are going to be using the Krival Nails dip liquids, and I'm super excited to finally show you these on my channel, because if you've been following me for a while, I love doing the gel method, and I'm completely obsessed with the Krival gels. The consistency is super thin. They apply amazingly, and they're great for doing the gel method, and they're great for making press-ons, and I really love the consistency of the Krival Nails gels. So I'm really excited to test out these liquids and see how I like them and see how they perform. So already I can tell you right now, when I'm cleaning up the cuticle line, that this is I would say a faster dry time. I am able to go ahead and brush it on my entire nail, the dip base, go ahead and dip, clean my cuticle line, and brush it off, and it was completely dry. I did not have any disruption with the dip powder when I went in to brush off that dip powder. So I would definitely say these are faster drying times, and they are your typical scent for your dip liquids. There is a slight scent to them, but nothing very overpowering at all. So that is good as well. So check out that beautiful shimmer in this dip powder. So if you're new to my channel, welcome. My name is Mallory. I do daily uploads for manis each day on my YouTube channel, and then I also post on my Instagram daily as well. Sometimes there are different manis and other stuff going on my Instagram page versus my YouTube channel, so definitely consider checking that out. I will leave my Instagram information in the description box below. So if you've been watching my channel and subscribed for a while, you will know I do like to post daily YouTube videos on my channel. There's just something about doing my nails and watching other people do their nails. I think it's like very therapeutic, and I really like the whole mani process, from dipping to the gel method and to press-ons. Lately, I've been doing a lot more press-ons on my channel just because I really like the whole press-on creation side of it, and that you have these nails that will last and you can reuse them. And I really think you can see really well on the press-ons when I'm doing them how the powders perform and how the liquids perform and all that kind of stuff. So I do really like the press-on method as well. So you will see that a lot on my channel, especially right now, since I'm in this weird transitional period. I do have a 13-month-old, and I also have a baby in NICU. So right now, press-ons are typically a little bit easier for me right now, and I really am enjoying the whole press-on process. I can talk about it for a long time here, as you can see, but stay tuned. Next week, we are going to finally get into that mani that I was talking about, where I'm going to give you an update on the baby and my pregnancy, because if you've been following my nail journey, there was a period of time where I was actually doing my nails in the hospital and all that good stuff when I was living there for a while for my pregnancy. So we'll finally touch base on that, and we're going to do a really special mani next week on my channel for that, because I'm actually finally in a good place where I'm ready to talk about it. So that is exciting. And I also have some exciting news that I just found out today about my baby. So I'm just like really now in a good place. So I really appreciate all your patience, because I know a lot of you have taken the time to reach out to me, and you guys are very curious about the baby, and I'm like, I'm not ready yet, or we'll get there, but I'm excited to finally tell you that we will be creating that special mani next week on my channel. All right, so enough chit chat, and let's dive into this sparkly goodness mani, and I'll pop back in at the end. All right, we're just wrapping up the mani here, and check out all this sparkly goodness. I'm completely in love with this color Eggnog, and I'm just loving the sparkle of this as well. So then we're going to go ahead and use some cuticle oil here to finish up the mani from Krival Nails. Now this cuticle oil is one of my favorites. It is called Keep My Nails in the Pink, and it is a really light scent cuticle oil, and it's filled with so many great nutritious vitamins for your nails. It has grapeseed oil in it, vitamin E, jojoba oil, argan oil, lemon oil, sunflower oil. It has great characteristics in there that help strengthen your nails. It also has antibacterial, anti-inflammatory, and it helps boost collagen. So I really love this cuticle oil, and the price is definitely right for this dropper bottle. It's also in a pen as well, and I've gone through 2 bottles of this cuticle oil, and I love it. And the scent is so light, so it's not going to be one of those cuticle oils that have a perfumey smell. It's a very nice cuticle oil. So overall, I'm completely in love with this mani. I really enjoyed using the dip liquids as well. The shine of that top coat of these dip liquids are so beautiful, and it's super shiny, and I love it so much. So I will go ahead and link everything that we use in today's mani in the description box below. Definitely consider subscribing and give this video a thumbs up, and I'll see you in the next upload.